Lycamobile message blocking is a widespread issue that prevents users from sending or receiving certain types of SMS messages. Understanding this problem is essential for effective troubleshooting. Message blocking affects several critical types of communications. Premium SMS services, two-factor authentication codes from banks and apps, international messages, and group messaging can all be impacted. Message blocking stems from three main categories of issues. Each category has distinct characteristics and requires different troubleshooting approaches. Network-level blocking occurs when carriers impose restrictions on premium rate numbers, international SMS gateways have limitations, or spam filters create false positives. Account-level restrictions happen when there is insufficient account balance, service plan limitations, or account verification requirements that haven't been met. Device-specific issues include incorrect APN settings, outdated carrier configurations, and SIM card compatibility problems. These technical settings directly affect message delivery. Understanding the frequency of these issues helps prioritize troubleshooting. Insufficient credit balance accounts for about 60% of all message blocking cases, making it the most common cause. Premium SMS restrictions are also significant, particularly affecting two-factor authentication systems that many banks and apps rely on for security. This makes understanding message blocking crucial for maintaining access to important services. By understanding these underlying causes and their frequency, you can approach troubleshooting more effectively. In the next section, we will explore step-by-step solutions to address each type of message blocking issue. The first and most common solution is checking your account balance. Many message blocking issues occur simply because there isn't enough credit on your account. Most SMS services require a minimum balance to function properly. If your balance is below £2 to £5, top up your account through the official Lycamobile app or website. If your balance is sufficient but you're still experiencing issues, the problem might be premium SMS blocking. This commonly affects two-factor authentication codes from banks and apps. Customer service will verify your account details and activate premium SMS services. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. Network configuration issues can also block messages. Let's fix the access point name settings for both Android and iPhone devices. For iPhone users, the process is simpler. Go to Cellular Settings and reset your network configuration if needed. Sometimes the issue is with the SIM card itself. Physical troubleshooting can resolve connectivity problems that affect messaging. Use a SIM ejector tool to safely remove your SIM card. After reinserting it, restart your phone and check if messaging works properly. If these methods don't resolve your issue within 48 hours, or if you have business-critical messaging needs, contact Lycamobile support for additional assistance. Remember that most message blocking issues resolve within 48 hours using these methods. Keep your account balance topped up and your device settings updated for the best messaging experience.